In this quick video, I will show you the best VPN for crypto trading. The answer to what the best VPN in the world is pretty simple. It's Mulvet VPN. If you're truly looking for privacy, Mulvet is definitely the best option. You can register here without your email address and only with an account number. You can easily pay with crypto or even with cash. Yes, you read that right. You can actually pay with cash. Just put your cash into an envelope. On the website, you will be generated with a random token that you then just simply write on a piece of paper and then send it to Mulvet, and then they will credit your account. You can use it for these currencies, just send cash there and pay completely anonymously. Also, Mulvet VPN was actually raided by the Swedish police, as you can read right here. They completely went into their offices, looked for customer data, but they found absolutely nothing because Mulvet doesn't save any of the customer data. As you can read right here, you can also look into this case by yourself, but that also proves that Mulvet is just the best when it comes to privacy on the internet. Maybe the only downside of Mulvet VPN is that it's a little bit more pricey. They also don't offer any discounts if you choose longer plans. As you can see right here, that's a little bit of a joke, but it always just costs €5 per month, or in the US, $5.14. Compared to other VPNs, that's a little bit more expensive, but if you're looking for true privacy, this is definitely the best option. Also, Mulvet VPN doesn't even offer any affiliate program or any paid partnerships with content creators on social media. So me, for example, I don't get anything for that, but it's just important to me to show you this option, which is simply the best when it comes to true privacy. If you're just looking for a VPN to trade from anywhere in the world or also use services from other countries, maybe get cheaper prices for flights or any services, I also can recommend you NordVPN, which is the market leader. It's very affordable and convenient to use, and it's also a bit cheaper. As you can see, it only costs $3.40 per month. With the link down in the video description, you will get this 70% discount on all the plans, and then you will also save some additional money for it. If you just go to the link down in the video description, you will get to this side. You can just click here on Get Basic. You will see the 70% discount right here is applied, and it's a very cheap and convenient option for you. You can also pay with crypto, as you can see down here, and the benefits of NordVPN is that it's cheaper, it's very easy to use, and if privacy is not the highest priority on why you want to use a VPN, but the other reasons, then I think this is the best option for you.